Let's find the derivative of this implicit function. See, all you have to do, since we are differentiating with respect to x, we are differentiating y with respect to x. That means anytime you differentiate y, you have dy dx. So let us differentiate. Differentiate x, we are going to have 1. Differentiate y, we are going to have plus 1 multiplied by dy over dx. Okay? Now, if you differentiate sine y, you are going to get cos y. Okay? Sine y, you're going to get cos y. Perhaps if you miss class, if you miss our class on trigonometry, derivative of the trigonometric function, you can check the channel and watch the class. Okay? If you differentiate sine x, you're going to get cos x. If you differentiate cos x, you're going to get negative sine x. Likewise, if you differentiate sine y, you're going to get cos y. Okay? So here I'm going to have plus cos y dy over dx equals to 0, because if you differentiate 3, you're going to have 0. Now, the next step here is that 1 plus 1 multiplied by dy dx, that is dy over dx plus dy over dx cos y equals to 0. Now, the next step, all you have to do now is that just factorize, or let's like times and factorize. See, dy dx, we have this dy dx that you see here as an invisible one. You understand? 1 multiplied dy dx is also the same thing as dy dx. Okay, it has an invisible one. So for this, I'm going to have dy all over dx plus dy all over dx cos y equals to, now I'm going to take this 1 to the other side, so it's going to change to negative, because 1 doesn't have dy dx, but this 1 doesn't have dy dx. So if it crosses the equals to sign to the right hand side, it's going to add a negative sign. So now the next step is to factorize. This is cos. The next step is to factorize. So for this, I'm going to have dy all over dx multiplied by 1 plus cos y equals to negative 1. How do I get this one? Here. Okay? 1 times dy dx will give us dy dx. Okay? And if I'm factorizing, if I open this bracket using dy dx, I'm going to have dy dx times 1, which will give me dy dx. Dy dx times cos y. I'm going to have dy dx cos y. You can see now, so what I did was that I just factorized dy dx and I opened the parentheses. Now, the next step is to divide both sides by 1 plus cos y, because the goal of the question is to find the derivative of y with respect to s. I'm going to divide both sides by 1 plus cos y. So here will be divided by 1 plus cos y, and this also plus 1 plus cos y. So that means that dy dx will be equals to negative 1 all over, negative 1 all over 1 plus cos y. You can see that it's very simple. So if you are asked to find the derivative of an implicit function in your exam, you can easily differentiate it with respect to the example that you placed here. Okay, so that will be all for this class. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and share the video to your friends. See you in the next class.